Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you. We got our hands on the highly anticipated OnePlus 11, the latest flagship device from OnePlus. In this long-form review video, we'll dive deep into every aspect of the phone and give you our comprehensive thoughts. So, grab some popcorn and let us get started. First things first, let us talk about the design of the OnePlus 11. As we've come to expect from OnePlus, the phone is sleek and stylish. It features a glass back with a metal frame, giving it a premium feel. The display is nearly bezel-less, with a small hole punch cutout for the front camera. The overall aesthetics of the phone are impressive, and OnePlus has definitely upped their design game this time around. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 11 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a QHD+ resolution. The colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the viewing angles are excellent. It's a joy to watch videos and play games on this display. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and enhances the overall user experience. Now, let us talk about the camera setup on the OnePlus 11. It features a triple camera system, with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. OnePlus has always focused on providing great camera performance, and the OnePlus 11 is no exception. The images captured are sharp, detailed, and well-balanced. The night mode has been improved, allowing you to capture stunning low-light shots with ease. Under the hood, the OnePlus 11 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series processor, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and snappy performance. Whether you're gaming or using demanding applications, the OnePlus 11 handles everything with ease. The Oxygen OS, based on Android 13, provides a clean and user-friendly interface, further enhancing the overall experience. Now, let us talk about battery life. The OnePlus 11 packs a 4,500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy usage. Additionally, it supports OnePlus Warp Charge technology, which can provide a day's worth of power in just 30 minutes of charging. This is a game changer for those always on the go. Connectivity-wise, the OnePlus 11 supports 5G, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds. It also retains the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a great inclusion for audio enthusiasts. The in-display fingerprint sensor works reliably and unlocks the device swiftly. Finally, let us talk about the pricing and availability of the OnePlus 11. The base model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage starts at $799, while the higher-end model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage comes in at $999. The phone will be available for pre-order starting next week, with shipping expected to begin in 2 weeks.